let's look at what fats should we eat, what should we cook with, and what should we not heat. My favorites are coconut oil because it'll hold high heat for stir fry. Ghee, which is butter that's just had the the water solids moved off of it. Believe it or not, tallow and lard, if you can get it from grass-fed animals, going back to great grandma's cooking here, that'll handle high heat as well. And I use avocado oil as well. It doesn't handle heat as much as coconut oil does. So those are my cooking fats. And then when I do low heat or no heat, so grass-fed butter, olive oil, I just don't heat it at all. I use it on my salads. I drizzle it on my veggies when I'm done cooking them. Some of your nut oils, like macadamia nut oil, walnut oil, those are really nice, but they're very fragile. So these are all beneficial fats. And then, of course, you can supplement, right? You can supplement if you want with cod liver oil or fish oil or any of the boards or flax or any of those ones that I mentioned can be very beneficial. So we really don't want to overdo. Don't get so carried away that you're just, living on fat, but it needs to be a part of the diet. It needs to be part of your daily diet.